Hi there and welcome. This is going to be a short review of the book Gucci Man's Guide to Greatness. Um, in the first few chapters, but something that's really stood out to me that resonated with me is always seeking improvement. He says, if there's ever a time somebody who's beat you, and you guys are in the same field, it's because they're improving and you're stagnant. Always seek improvement. That's fundamental in everything. As I moved up through, college, undergraduate school, to my graduate school and to my master's degree, I've had to improve and learn and learn and learn and get better and have mentors. You literally have a mentor when you're in graduate school. Somehow they learn that you need a mentor so that you can succeed. You need to learn. You need somebody to guide your growth and learning process. So Gucci Man talks about that, and that really resonated with me. But your goal, when you choose a goal, and you're growing and you're moving towards it, you're learning. So you may have right now, if you're stagnant, reached a certain goal, and so you are stagnant. You must keep moving. You must keep growing like water. You must keep flowing. Okay, you must keep flowing. You must keep the flow moving. You don't want the water to get stale and just sit there, right? There must be flow and movement. There's something in the universe that loves flow and movement. Like the basketball game. A basketball game, there's something beautiful about the ball moving to the different players. There's a flow, okay? And there's a calmness of mind in that. There's a presence, there's a conscience. So create that in your life and whatever you're doing. Presence, consciousness, and a flow and progression for more. Okay. I hope you like this one. I'll write the name of the chapter here below and you can read more on it. If this resonates with you, if the book resonates with you. It resonated with me deeply. So that's why I got his book. I looked him up a little bit. I didn't know. I listened to some of his music in the past, and I looked him up a little bit. I'm like, oh wow, this guy knows what's up. He has success in the rap world. And he's helped others in the rap world, and I'm only looking at the positive right now. Okay, so that's all I look at most of the time. So I know I probably I've seen some things, criminal record, things like that. But I went to prison too. I was troubled. I was a troubled kid, so I understand. And people change, right? So if you're struggling right now, if you're seeking improvement, you probably, messed up, you fucked up some way, maybe got kicked out of school. I got kicked out of school. Maybe you went to prison, went to jail. I went to jail. Maybe you got a DUI. I got a DUI. So it's okay. You can evolve. You can pivot. You know what you don't need to do. All right. Yeah, even though I had those mishaps, there's also positive things that I've done. There's also positive things that you could do or that you're doing that you've done. So, yeah. So, my little spiel about him and the book and me, how I understand, and I understand that we can improve, and that's what life is all about. Because this is the last analogy I'm going to share with you, and I'm going to end this. Life is like a roller coaster. Okay, you get on a roller coaster to have fun and enjoy and experience it. And then when you finish a roller coaster, you're like, oh, that was it, man. You don't go like, hey, I want to go on this roller coaster and I want that now. Like I want to manifest my goals now. I want my goal to achieve now. That's like saying like, okay, hey, roller coaster manager or operator, how about you play the roller coaster, let it go, and then just like carry me. Can you carry me to the end, like to over there, or you know what I'm saying? What's the point of that? That's not even life, you know. So the joy is in the process. The joy is in the moment, in the challenges, the failures. Failures. and the flow and your path to your goal. Okay? That's where the joy is. It's in the steps and in the moment. I love you. Hope you like this one. And I have links here where if you don't have Audible yet, you can get free books. So you can get the book if you want. Just click the description below. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I love you. Peace.